Hi guys, welcome back. I've got SANGEAN DPR45 here with me. So this radio is 3-in-1 radio, which means it has DAB, AM and FM, as you can see. But if you don't have DAB reception in your area, you can buy this radio to use AM FM, but having said that, you can just buy AM FM radio rather than 3-in-1 radio. So a couple of people asked me how to factory reset the radio. The reason we would factory reset the radio, if you lose DAB reception or if you lose sound, if you can't pick up some stations, you can just reset the radio and see whether it can rectify the issue. So in order to factory reset, prior to start, you have to extend the aerial, fully extend the aerial. So what I'm going to do now, it is on standby mode at the moment. So I'm going to press this power button, turn it on. So it's on now. Now you press the info advance button and hold it. Let go when it beeps and station is blinking. You just move this knob until you see reset, and then you press the knob in, but don't move it when you press it in. And N is blinking, which is no, we want to go to yes, so move it up. Y is blinking and you press the knob in without moving, and now it's resetting. You will have to wait until it starts again. So the radio is on standby mode now. You press the power button again. Now the radio will scan all the stations. It's up to 29 now, so you will have to wait until it all finish scanning. Yeah, so now it's working. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please drop me a line. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you. Please take care. Bye.